It's that time of the year where it's time to soon put your riding mower away. Couple key tips to take care of your mower for winter. You want to make sure, in this case, in this mower, you run it out of gas, or you turn your fuel shut off going to the carburetor and run your carburetor out of gas. You want to make sure your oil is full. You could even change it at this time if you want to. Do your complete service before you put it away for the winter. Make sure the tires are all aired up properly. It helps them from getting flat spots in them and causing premature cracks. These are very good tips on taking care of your mower and making it last for a very long time. So the other thing you can do, just kind of get down and look at your belts. One belt that you can look at very easily, especially in this model mower, is your deck belt. The drive belts are a little harder to look at. This one you can look up from back here. There's kind of like a window right there. You can look down in them. This one has 2 on it. And then the other thing is you could put some kind of charger on your battery, or make sure it's fully charged before you put it away for winter storage. What I like to do, I will pull my batteries, any mower that I have that I keep over winter, I will pull the batteries out and stick it in my shop where they keep warm, and the batteries will last a lot longer. The other thing you can do is make sure your deck is completely clean underneath. This mower in particular has one of these adapters you can plug your garden hose into. It has one on this side, and it has one on the other side, at the discharge side. So some very simple, basic tips, short video on how to maintain your mower. Another one I just popped into my head, and that goes with a regular service, is check your air filter. Make sure your air filter's clean. Grease it. It's just really good maintenance to make your mower last a very long time. And then on top of that, don't let it sit outside. For at least, go buy yourself a cheap tarp and throw over it if you're going to keep it outside. That's the least thing you could do to protect your mower, to make it last for a long time. Short video. Thanks for watching.